How are you guys? My name is Milan. Thanks for tuning into another video. Today I'm going to be talking about a few quick tips on how to help you pass your first Humber real estate course. Let's get into it. Tip number one is going to be to purchase Passit. I mentioned this multiple times in my previous videos. Passit is a third-party website that contains similar course material, the same as you're going to find in the exam, and there's a bunch of simulations that you can do. Practice quizzes, practice exams. Now the questions you're going to see aren't going to be the exact same replicas on the exam, but it's very similar in a way that you can still learn the content and material that you need to learn. As I mentioned previously, Passit has a bunch of simulations. Practice quizzes, practice exams, a bunch of mix and match words and phrases that you can do. I personally catered to Passit more than reading course material for my first exam. It helped me because, especially when it comes to the practice quizzes, whatever option you select, it obviously tells you whether you're right or wrong and explains why. So that way, instantly, if you got that answer wrong, you know instantly what the real answer is and you memorize it right away. So definitely purchase Passit. If the price isn't an issue, I definitely recommend you getting it. It's going to be worth every penny. It definitely makes the whole journey just so much easier because there's just so much course material to study and learn from. Now, heading into my second tip is going to be use common sense when it comes to certain vocabulary, such as RICO and REBA. What do they promote? Fairness, equity, and so forth. So not even just when it comes to the exams, when you're reading these questions and lessons, use that same logic. What do they promote again? Fairness, equity, and so forth. So when you're looking for answers, most likely those answers are going to be something catered to fairness, equity, customer protection, and so forth. I'll give you another example when it comes to promoting honesty and professionalism. In the course material, you might be reading about a scenario where there's an agent speaking with a client. That client asks the agent a question. Let's say something about building structure. If that agent doesn't have the required knowledge to give them an honest and fair answer, in that scenario, they're going to recommend them to a third party. To sum it up, look for key terms and use logic to what those terms cater to. Now here, I'm gonna link the first video I made for you guys, giving you a bunch of more tips on how to be successful with exam one. Today was nice, short, and sweet. I didn't want to waste too much of your time. I wanted to give you these 2 extra tips. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you guys have got any comments or questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to answer all you guys, and thanks for watching.